gamita. O ha? Okay.
Ano na yun?
Ay, isa lang. Udah. Open dulu ka.
Uy, ganda siya.
Okay. First step. What is the acronym? Acronym. Action plan first. Danger. Okay, what are the cause ha? Nadala. Okay. Dili ba yan? Diretso ha? Pag-igo na impact. Dili diretso mo dagan. Padong sa pasyente. You need to assess for possible dangers. Okay, what are the causes? Survey the scene. Survey the scene. I-check, i-check, i-check. Pag naagali ni babag, hinay-hinay ukuha, then i-check na po, i-check. Pag clear na, that's the time you will have the second call. Sir, the scene is safe, the scene is safe. Tuha. Okay, sige. Next na. Next na. Mag-send na po. Mag-send na po. Mag-send na po. Okay. Responsiveness. Pag mupadong na po sa pasyente, ayaw dungawi. Ayaw dungawi. Ayaw po luhurin isa. Okay, there's a possibility na makakabalas dito sa pasyente. Dapat, you need to kneel. Not kneel down. There's a difference between kneeling and kneel down. This is kneeling, this is kneel down. Aha. Now, before that, pag nag-assess ka, nalimtan ako. Pag-assess mo, refrain as kung nakagaling, wala, kung napakay, dako ang area, sorry, kung dako ang area, refrain from passing near to the head. Ano man? The head is the most sensitive part of the body. Dayon, accidents are inevitable. Diba? Sila pag-pass ni mo diri na ay marble, na slide ka, diretso sa ulo. Kung yan nagtubog na, buo na yung naka, isa mo, namatay na yung ikaw yung naka. Eko ha, refrain from taking this side. Pero kung wala na galing choice, keep a clear distance. A meter will do or longer. Aha. Okay. Responsiveness. You're going to use the palm. Okay, you're going to use the palm. Which part of the palm are you going to check? Are you going to use in checking? Is it the heel, the ball, or the fingers?
The heel?
This is the heel, the ball, fingers. Say kami doon, yung tapping. Okay, it should be the fingers. Okay, the fingers is flexible. Kung give out kag 30%, ang ma-touch sa patient is only 20%. Whereas kung diri ka sa heel, kasi diretso ka dyan, kusog ka dyan na. Alright? Now, sa tamuta. Okay, anong dili sa pihil? Layo ra kayong pihil. Layo ra kayong pihil. Anong dili sa ulo? Okay, closer is shoulder, closer siya sa heart, closer siya sa ears. Dunggay, ma-feel diretso. Okay, ko ha? Okay. First call under step 2. 3 times call. Depende kung Bisaya ka, go. Kung English din mo, feeling mo English, go. Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Now, kanina, nag-tap ko at looking sa inyo ha. Pero dito mao. While tapping, you need to check the patient for possible movement. Facial movements. Okay? Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Wala galing movement, proceed to the second call. The patient is unconscious. O ha? Kung wala'y movement. Pero the second call, ni-move gani siya, then ni-start siya panic. Ano din? Ay, lang po kayo dramahin, ha? Okay. Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Okay, mamina. So, moni ha kanina, ang pinakalisod ni handle is conscious and panic. Pag panic gani, nasa state of panic pasyente, you pacify the patient. Not necessarily nga imong pahinuwa. Hindi nyo na siya kuminom. Ang inyo lang intention is to pacify, pakalmahon. Okay? Pag mukalma na gani, you proceed to the second call, which is you introduce yourself. Okay? If ang pasyente can converse, bitaw ka na makafocus ba, makayamo sa imua, use the word, may I help you? So be polite. So introduce your name, that you are a first aider, that you can help him. Like I've said, if the person can converse, can interact, can react, you use the word, may I help you? So pumuya mo, proceed. Pero kung dili gani siya maka-converse, kanang wa ka siya pakialam sa imua, use the word, I can help you. Proceed. It is a statement. Okay? You are not asking for her or his permission. Sabtan. If conscious gani, second call, introduce yourself, pacify, introduce yourself, pangutana kung asang sakit, kung sakit ang tiil, ang tawa dito, if naay, need gani ni mo siya i-bandage, spin, do it. Kung naagali open wound, stop the bleeding, that's it. Sabtan. Okay, proceed na sa unconscious ha. Kay usually sa mga accident and heart attack, unconscious ang kasya. Okay, next. What is the next? What comes after R? Okay, S. Tama na ni? Lagi. Okay, send for help. If ang situation, duha mo, sa murang duha, ikaw kasi mo tawag. Okay? Now, naminaw mo. In a normal communication, when you call, if you are the caller, you'll be the one to end the call, right? It's the proper way, the polite way of communicating. Dili kay ang receiver mo end sa call. It should be the caller who will end the call. Bahala naging goodbye. Pulata ka dyan nga siya mo end in a normal communication. But during emergency, pulata nga ang receiver mo end sa call, not you as the caller. Nga naman. Okay, kay base na pa'y follow-up questions. Satan. So, we are on our way. We're on our way. We're on our way. I-off na niya. Proceed to the next procedure. Satan. Okay. So, send for help. So, these are the things that you need to give. Hello. Greetings po. Hello. Dili kay pagdugnaw umaga. Okay, hello. State your name. Una ka ang ngalan. So, di kung unsang nahitabo, and then, ihatag ang location. When giving out the location, be specific. Di kayo may nagbanuno. Naganaan na yung tao ng ambulansya kung asa. Be specific, ha? Give trademark. And then, you will end your statement with, we need help. You are asking for help now. Okay ko, ha? Sakan? Now, if in case na yung mga bystanders like you, mga osasero, ask some, no, you're not asking. You are commanding someone to call 911. Okay? Now, in a normal setting, we are refrain from using the index finger and pointing out someone. Kaya nga naman, you are directly discriminating, you are directly disrespecting the person. Pero in dapat ana. Ikaw. Really ana ha? Kaya kaniga jud disrespecting a sign. Pero sa emergency, you need to use your index finger in pointing a person. You call 911. Give authority. Di kailan ka. Tawag sa 911. No. You must have an authority. Sabot pasabot, you are first aider, dapat nakakasya kay authority nga. You can do it. You can say, like, okay, you call 911. Tawag din siya. Same naghahat ni mong Oha. Okay, next. Now, by the way, 911 is both international and local emergency number. Baalag wa kay load, maka-access ka sa call. Okay, ayaw lang po rin try. Okay, once mo call ng gamit mong 911, automatic, ang mo receive na, pasabot na emergency. It's either ang mo receive ang hospital, ang CDRR, ang police station, or ang CTM. Depende kung asama ka. So, ha? Okay. Now, Ayaw. Sa sunod, sa set. So we have here now the cat. Okay. Before checking for the vital signs, unsay dapat imol sa pasyente? Check. Na-check naman nato. Umana. Before ninyo i-check ang vital signs, unsay dapat imuon una sa pasyente? You need to put the patient in a supine, proper position. What is the purpose? The circulation para proper or ang flow ng circulation walay obstruct ay walay ni-elevate. Okay? And then you're going to use both hands. Ayaw isa. Dali with care. With care. And then, ayaw pagsuhod mo ato sa pikas. Mas maayo man kung magtindog and then wala ka. Ayaw lakari ang pasyente. Ha? Ayaw lakari for educational purpose ko. Okay, ayaw lakari ha. Tapos kung mo-transfer ka, ayaw ko dyan kalimot ko That's the safest knee. Kung na ay injury, na fracture, ayaw hilabti. Right? Ayaw hilabti. Paspas ang lihok ha, paspas ang lihok. George, paliwan na si Ana, George. Wala na nakayo. Okay? So, fine position. Okay. Okay. Circulation na ta. Ang ulo, dito. Kung sa'yo mo, ay pato ba? Hinay-hinay. Hinay-hinay. There are two maneuvers na balihan. Manaman ako nag-discuss, di ba? Direta. There are two maneuvers wherein you can open the airway. If nagalit bleeding, you can use the jaw thrust maneuver. Jaw thrust maneuver. Okay, jaw thrust maneuver. Gamitin nyo ang sinigdirihan, then push sa ha? Okay, nana ha? Kung wala gani, okay ra gani siya. Kung okay ra gani siya, walay bleeding diha, you can have the, sorry, ako na i-check ha, ako na i-edit. It's head, tilt, chin, head, tilt, chin lift. Head, tilt, chin lift. Okay, you can use here, and then i-shift then you to here. Okay, check niyo diha. You can use this one. This one, here. Okay, and then you open your way. Open the airway. The cat class should be done simultaneously. Sabay-sabay. Daily circulation, then airway, then breathing. No, sabay-sabay na siya after inani ang position. Okay, open the airway. And then, diretso dayon ka. Shift din mo. Okay, open the airway. Shift din niya. 2001, 2002. Pagdan. So, manong dili pwede inanak ka? Anong kailangan inanak?
Okay, para makita ang chest.
Okay. Para makita mo, look for the rise and fall, feel, and then listen. At the same time, you are checking the pulse, and then you are checking for the breathing. Satan. So, simultaneously done. Now, what is the proper way of counting? Okay, you need to use the word 1,000. The word 1,000 is enough to bridge the gap between seconds. Dili kay 1, 2. Kaya dili mo siya consistent. Na siya longer, na apoy, shorter ang pag. It should be 1,000. Okay. Until what? How many seconds mo i-check? Until how many seconds? Until how many seconds? Okay, 5 to 10 seconds. Dili kay 1, 2. 1 na siya. No, dire-diretso ka niya. Kung pwede pa abot ka niya, ha? Okay. Okay, breathing na siya. Look at this. Okay. There are 3 conditions. Namina. 3 conditions ha? 3 conditions. Pag-check mo, check. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1010. niya, okay lang vital signs. The first call under this step should be vital signs are okay and put the patient in a recovery position. Pag unconscious paghapon siya, hanap ka og something na i-elevate ang ulo. Kung wala gani while waiting, since naka-call naman ka, gamita ang lang. Okay? Isa ka ang ulo para bumaba ang circulation. O ha, mauna ha, and the diaphragm kung apart. First condition. Second condition, pag-check di mo karon, has pulse but no breathing. This is very common sa nalumos. Common siya sa nalumos. So, pag-check di mo karon, check din mo. 1, 2001, 2002, 2010, has pulse but no breathing. This is the first call ha. Has pulse but no breathing. Administer rescue breath. Okay, since lumos, unsay atong ihatag? Hangin. Unsay atong himon? Suyokon or mumbuga? Nalumos ha? Suyok or buga? Tama na tayo na, mali rin. Hindi na siya suyok. Unsay yung suyok? It should be buga. Nganong pumuga kag hangin? Nganong pumuga kag hangin? What is the purpose? Nganong pumuga kag hangin? Okay, the purpose there is to target the lungs, to expand the lungs for it to function. Unang move, pag mubuga ka, musaka ang chest, expand ang lungs ana. Para function siya. Kung baga natulog ang lungs, imong pukaw. Ako ha, one cycle consists of 2 life-saving breaths. After 2 life-saving breaths, check for the breathing. Always check the circulation. Kaya, in the long run, mo alter ang circulation. Labi na address ang breathing. Automatic ka siya na ma-address ang circulation. Okay. So, ano na? Open the airway, pinch the nose, and then buga. Pag buga, pag release mo. Dili ka nagbuga ka, close lang yung hapon. Check purpose. Okay? Kaya usually man go, dili ang mga automatic mo. Ginawa. Okay? Open the airway, pinch the nose, buga. Release. Inhawa ka, and then, check. 1, 2001, 2002, pagyapon, second cycle, buga, release, buga, release, 1, 2001, 2002. Until such time na, bubuga siya o tubig. Pag mubuga na ganyan tubig, last card ayon, para suka. Pag okay na dahil siya, ibalik, and then put the patient in a recovery position. Ang ulo while waiting for the rescue. Sabtan. Okay, second condition. Third condition. Pag check di mo karon, sa second condition, pila ka pulse? Pila ka pulse? Okay, vital sign, has pulse but no breathing, administer rescue. Dayon, pag umana, na-revive na nimo, while doing this one, imong ipalikod, mingon ka, breathing is restored. Ayun na po, put the patient in a position. No, diretso na. Akit out. Okay, third. Pag-check nimo karon, 1, 2001, 2002, 2003. Vital signs are at rest. Means to say, walay pulso, walay inhawa. This is very common sa heart attack. Pag heart attack gani, kung nakita ba ninyo ba, on the process of failures ni hagba, automatic ka dyan, mas hindi na nimo i-check ang vital signs, CPR. Because heart attack, isod ka dyan, okay ra ang stroke. Ang stroke magkukimurag, gradual ba? Gradual. Magsakit na, magliso na ginhawa, wala stroke, then mahiwi din ang certain part. Pero ang heart attack manggod, pag igo, constrict, stop ang heart. So, mo na imong Okay. First call under third condition, vital signs are at rest. Administer CPR. What is CPR? Okay, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. If you are dealing with adults, you're going to use both hands. Okay. If you are dealing with toddlers or children, one hand. If you are dealing with babies and infants, the index and fingers. Okay, ha?
Fingers.
Bata, gibuhanin mo. Na. Alam mo, okay? What else? If you are right-handed, right over left. If you are left-handed, left over right. Okay, kung ingon daw nila, kung if you are right-handed, it should be ang strong kung nasa uhos. No. It should be nasa taas because nato man yung push. Okay? Then kiwapod. Kiwapod siya. Okay? Dayon, how deep? How deep? Kung sa kalalo, ang imo i-push. Dili naman muna, ano-ano lang. Lalong na. Okay. For adults, 2 inches deep. So, kung press ka galing ka, if you can hear the cracking sound, if you can hear the cracking sound, cracking of bones siya, hindi siya bali. More ka siya. Cracking of bones, but kasabot you're doing it right. Pero hindi ka nakadungog ng cracking, but kasabot, push further. Kaya wala kayo mo na. Pero kung makapil na ka, makadungag. Kasabot you're doing it right. Okay? Uy. Adults, 2 inches. Children, 1.5 to 2. Babies, 1 to 1.5 deep. Okay? Baha. Okay. Now, it's easy for you to remember how to execute the CPR. Just remember the word, the acronym CAP. Compression, airway, and breathing. Because CPR, compression, and then at the same time you are giving life-saving breaths. Because both the circulation and breathing are at rest. So that, how many in one cycle, how many compressions are you going to perform? 30. How many life-saving breaths? Life-saving breath? 2. Ako ha? Then how many cycles na pwede na nimo i-end? Wala na kayo mo do. Mo surrender na siya. Until how many cycles? 5. Until 5. Wala. Sabtan. Okay. Maminaw. So, maminaw. Asa galing na-situate ang atong heart, di ba? Di sa center. Dire siya sa left. So, not necessary. Dito po ka mag-push. No? Okay. So, muna ang left chest, right chest, level sa nipple. Ayaw po. Nawang pa rin ako. Okay. Sinatawag ka nito diyan nga soft bone that connects the right and the left ribs. This is what we call sternum. Ay, balik. Okay, and then, ang legs, ang body, ang kamot, naka-straight. Ayaw picked up. Then when you do the compression, ayaw po, ha? Compression na lang. Wala. Ayaw i-dig. Ayaw i-dig. Dayon, counter ka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the 30 compression. Ayaw i-continue. 1, 22, 23. Taas manghod. Kanya mabuga pa ka. After mabuga na ng first day. Pinahod na naong. 30 compressions ha? Hindi magbilag. 1, 2, 3. No. Taas pa. Hey. Good. After 30 compressions, open the airway, pinch the nose to let the 1, 2, and then check. 1, 2001, 2002, 2010. Balik hapon. Second cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 30. Open the airway. Open, pen, pinch, then blow, and then blow. And then check. 1, 2001, 2002, 2003, until such time na ma-restore ninyo ang vital signs. Kung na-restore ninyo ang vital signs for 3 cycles, how many compressions are made?
90.
90. How many life-saving breaths? 6. So kung na-restore gali pero unconscious pa, parihagyan ko itong dino sa inyo, i-lift ninyo ani, putang po, while waiting for the rescue. Tuwa. Okay, kung nakamata, good, put, nato yapon. Pagtan. Okay, kung sa yung last call for the third, vital signs are restored. Then put the patient in a recovering position. Questions? 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 Okay, so inana ha, recap ta. First step, what are the calls? Survey the scene, mistake. Second step, first call. If time movement, na interaction, second call. Prior to that, we're going to do
Apa?
pacify the patient. If the patient is unconscious, what is the second call? The patient is unconscious. And then what's next?
Send help. Send help.
Responsiveness pa. Send help. Kung kamurang duha, what are the information that you need to give?
Location.
Location. Okay. Kung na bystander, you can call. What is that? Third. Fourth. Before conducting the fourth step, what is the first thing that you need to do?
Position.
Okay. Put the patient in supine position. Okay. Next. Sa sunod. Okay. I-lift ang kuan, i-lift ang pulo, and simultaneously done, check the circulation, at the same, open the airway, and then check the circulation at the same time, you're checking the breathing. So, after which, on the first condition, usay call, first call. First call sa first condition, first call.
Circulation.
Vital signs are
Okay.
okay. And then what's next? What's next?
Has pulse but breathing.
What's next?
Wrist.
Put the patient in a recovering position. Second condition. What is the first call? Second condition ba ta? Fast pulse, but low
But low
breathing.
breathing is a
Administer rescue
breathing.
breaths. So, ido na ninyo. What is the second call? Under second condition. Breathing is restored and then so nalumos. Okay, and then recover again. Third condition, what is the first call? Rest. What to administer?
Administer CPR.
Okay. And then do. Second call, pag na-restored na, vital signs are restored. And then, questions? Questions? None? Okay. So next week, next week we'll have first day long quiz, and then practical, and then exam. This one.
About ranang video.
Mag-send ko ba? Questions over, wala na. Kung sa oras na.
8:43.